Okay, we finished all the modifications and installation of an echo board. Okay, Alan, this is your RK56 mic. I went ahead and rebuilt the audio limiter to get rid of that that sawtooth wave you were seeing. And here we go. So you asked me to drop the dead key down close to 4. Figure when I got all done, it kind of came up to 4 1/4 there. I think it'll be all right. Peak power on the 50 watt slug. Here's 30.
Audio, check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. This is, you got a little echo here.
Audio. Check. 1, 2, 3, 4.
You hear that in there? I'm going to turn off the top radio up there so you can hear just your own radio. It does have talkback in it.
Audio, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Alright.